Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be solving the problem Ceil in a BST. So the question says given a BST and a number x, find the Ceil of x. Note Ceil is a number that is either equal to x or immediately greater than x. Okay, so to understand what the question is, you need to find the Ceil of it, of a number, which is x, which is given to you. So what is the Ceil? Right, it's also given here that Ceil is either equal to that number or is just immediately greater than to that number. Right. So let's say over here we're given x is equal to 3 and we're given a tree over here like this. Right. So if you see over here, we already have 3 present. So if we find 3, so 3 is the seal of the tree. So we just return 3. But in this case, when we have x is equal to 6, right, if you look at the tree, there's no 6 present. So what is going to be the seal? So seal is going to be a number that is immediately greater than x, which is 6, right? So if you look over here, the number 7 is immediately greater than 6. So that is going to be the seal of the tree. So this is what the basic question is, guys. Now, how are we going to solve the question? So let me just solve it, as I explain it. So initially what we'll do is we'll just keep a seal number equal to -1. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the x value, right? We're going to check if x is greater than or lesser than our root value. So if it is lesser than our root value, so let's say our number is 6 is less than 10, right? So we're just going to make seal equal to 10 and we're going to go to the left of the tree because we want to check if what is the most minimum number which is greater than 6, right? So over here currently 10 is the most minimum number which is greater than 6, so we'll go to the left of the tree. So let me just keep on writing it. While root is not equal to none, what we're going to do is we're going to go and check if root dot key is greater than inp. Right, if root dot key is greater than inp, what we'll do is we'll make seal equal to root dot key, which is now equal to 10. Okay, this is going to be equal to 10 right now. Okay, and we'll do root is equal to root dot left. Right, else if our root dot key is less than inp. Okay, so when we let's go to the next stage over here. When we make our seal equal to 10, right, and we do root is equal to root dot left, we go over here now. We're at 5 now. Now when we're at 5, we'll again check, is our root dot key greater than inp? No, 5 is less than 6. So what we'll do is we'll go to the right of the tree now. Okay, it won't do anything to seal because currently again 10 is the most maximum number which is greater than 6, right? So we won't do anything to it. We'll just go to the right of the tree and we'll move forward, right? We go to the right 3, we go to 7. Now when we are 7, we'll again check if root dot key is greater than inp. Now again it is greater, so if it is greater we'll just change this to 7. Right, we change this to 7, we go to root dot left. Okay, now why do we change this to 7? Because 7 is now the most minimum number which is greater than our x. Right, so 7 is the most minimum number we find which is greater than x, so we just make our seal equal to that and we go to the root dot left. Now since we have no value present, because it's basically going to left, it's going to be none, we just come out of the loop and we'll just return over here a seal. Okay, but one more thing, if you have something like this, we have a 3 over here, right? Now firstly what we'll do is we'll check with 5. When we check with 5, we see that 5 is greater than 3. We make seal equal to 5 in this case, right? And we go to our left, which is 1. Now when we check with 1, we see that 1 is less than 3. Then we go to right. Now when we go to right, again we check root dot right is greater than, 3 is greater than 2. So we go to the right and we see that 3 is equal to 3. It's not greater, it's not less, it's equal. So we'll just return our root dot key in this case, which is going to be equal to 3. Right. So this is how you basically just solve the problem, guys. And let's just run the code. Yeah, so it's INP and we have so let's just run it, guys, again. Okay, so it's root equal to and then yeah, it's running, and let's submit the code. Yeah, guys, and it's submitted. So yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. And if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. Do let me in the comments what do you want to see next on the channel. If you have more suggestions on what kind of videos I could do next on the channel, do let me know. Also, do check out my podcast. We have amazing speakers come up and speak over there as well. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.